Hello, beautiful people. Happy New Year. How was your holiday? I can't believe it's been long I posted anything here. I can't believe it's been long I posted a video. I'm sorry, I apologize. It was a long, crazy holiday for me. As you can see, I lost my voice. Forgive my voice. I lost my voice due to too much drinking, too much screaming. I had friends over. I had family over. It was fun all the way. How was your holiday? How was your Christmas? How was the New Year celebration? Hope you had fun. I couldn't even find the time to make my hair, to do a retwist, to do anything. I just left it because there was no time to get anything done. I hope you did yours, and what style did you rock? Okay, so I like to see them. It's a really dry season, and then hope the Harmattan isn't hitting you hard. He's hitting me hard here, but I'm enjoying the cool breeze. I missed you guys. I'm sorry I hadn't posted anything here for a while. Well, I'm back now, so anyways, I just want to say a few things. It's been pretty dry. The dry season is the Harmattan season, so I thought that I just drop a few advice for you guys, because not everything is drying out. Your hair, your lips, everything. Okay, so your hair needs all the love, all the care, all the attention it can get this period, so it doesn't start breaking out. I'll say this: please try and keep your locks hydrated. Try and stay hydrated yourself. Okay, moisturize your hair, not every few days this time, but every day, I'll say. Okay, try and spray water on your locks, rub some coconut oil or something, but try and keep your hair hydrated. Now, we don't want nothing to happen to those beautiful locks now, do we? No, we don't. So keep your locks hydrated, keep yourself hydrated. Okay, try and moisturize as much as you can. You need it this period, really, because with the way the Harmattan is, the way how dry the weather is, it's going to really dry out your locks also. So moisturize and be cool. Okay, I wish you the best this new year, and I love you guys.